Currently, as a society, we face different threats, one of which is computer security, which becomes vulnerable with the presence of cyberwar and other factors that destabilize world security. In conventional warfare, adversaries generally know their capabilities, weapons, and specific tactics where there is a common battlefront, clearly not limited by geographical factors. In the cyber war, the environment, strategies, and weapons are totally different, but with a similar destructive potential to physical weapons. In cyberspace, all the information and communication available from a network is saved, and cyberwar is its main threat, and its tactics are to identify vulnerabilities and hack systems to access information from a country's institutional framework to its critical infrastructure. Cyber attacks are already one of the most destructive weapons. Until recently, it was thought that the consequences of a cyber attack would be limited, but the facts have shown that its impact is large. The borders are non-existent and the attackers virtually invisible. Cyberwar has ceased to be an eccentricity to isolated acts, to small things that have put it on a par with conventional warfare. This means that the war no longer translates only into soldiers and weapons. It is about attacking communications, making electrical networks fall, or another manifestation of damage or chaos. Attackers can be terrorist states or groups or activist companies. They can be divided into two parts: conventional espionage, which is hacking networks to obtain information, and on the other hand, sabotage, which are direct attacks on the infrastructure so that they stop working. The way to protect yourself from these attacks is not with weapons, but with the preparation of professionals who work in cyber defense. It will also be necessary to include cybersecurity preparation in school.